Promoting your product and interacting with the viewers utilizing audiovisual strategies and related sites like YouTube may truly bring you massive success and targeted traffic. Commonly, a YouTube video, if it's only truly good, will rank super high in the search engine results pages. The popularity of YouTube is still developing. Aside from watching the videos on YouTube, individuals may even embed the YouTube videos on their sites remotely. YouTube has likewise made it possible for the net marketers to train individuals in the usage of their products by uploading tutorials. Here are some hints on how to get started. Of course, you might need some equipment like a good camera with HD recording, Dolby Surround, lights, and others to give your viewers a better picture clarity and quality. Likewise, every YouTube video maker needs a great software or cam to record its videos. If you're using on-screen video recording software, make certain you use the best one, which has inbuilt editing features, records video in high quality, keeping video size low, and records audio which sounds clear. If you're using a cam, make certain it has good resolution and doesn't make your video look blurred, or you might decide to use PC Movie Maker software and images. You can create videos that go viral by producing a controversial video that's most discussed on the web. Whether it's an amazing video or negative, positive critique about a movie or a product, always produce your video with the intention of adding value or knowledge to your watchers who are willing to watch your video. The chief goal of producing viral videos ought to be such that it should be shared among others. Make sure to try to keep your video clean without crossing the controversy line. Video branding is a crucial step if you want your viewers to become your readers.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma